This video is designed for instructors who have their course sections cross-listed. So in this case, this course has two sections as a part of it. Section 3 and Section 5 have been co-joined, cross-listed, so all the students in both of those sections are in one Canvas course. To help give the cohorts their own identity, we have grouped them into small groups based upon their cohort. So the discussion areas are set up as small group activities where when a student posts to the discussion, only the people within their cohort sees their post and they interact together. The purpose of this video is to show you how to deal with this and also to give you a peek into the student view so you can see what it's like for them. I've taken you into the Introduce Yourself discussion activity as our example. You can see that this discussion has been broken up into small groups. I have a San Diego small group and a Southwestern small group. I'm going to show you what this is like from the student perspective, but I'm having to use a different course to show you what it's like from the student perspective. So in my example, I'm in a different course, logged in as a student, so that you can see that perspective. So in this course, the discussions have also been made into small groups, and I'm logged in as an actual student. When the student goes into a course discussion, they click the link to the discussion link, and they are automatically taken into their own group area. Notice the screen changed. It's very subtle. This student is in group 31 in this class, and this is their group area. So when they posted here, they only are seeing their small group posts. They aren't seeing the other students in the course's posts. They're working together as a small group. Now, the way the student returns back to the main class is they click on the link to the course. It's over in the course menu. And then they're taken right back into the course where they left. So now I'm back in the BST304 course. For the student, it's seamless, basically. It isn't an interruption in the flow of their learning. And for the instructor, you can get into their groups if you want to participate in their discussions. You come into the discussion area for the week, click on the link to the group. So I clicked on San Diego. Now I'm in the San Diego group, and I would see their posts below, and I could reply and respond to them in the group. Then the group can see my posts. Let's look at this from the grades area. I need to return back to the main course to get to grades. So I click on BST304 over on the left hand side, and now I'm back into the course. I'm going to go into grades. Basically, the grades are no different. You can come into this area to the Introduce Yourself discussion area, set your cursor near a cell, click on the little cloud in the corner, and go into the speed grader by clicking more details in speed grader. Once students start posting here, you will see their post, their initial post display on the left hand side of the screen, and you'll also see a compilation of all their posts in that discussion. So you can see how the student posted and how they reacted to the posts of others. Then when you're ready to give them a score, you can click on the View Rubric button and click the cells that you want to apply and click Save. Then if you want to make a comment just to that student about this activity one-on-one, you can add a comment if you want here. But the rest of the group in the discussions don't see comments that are added in grades. That's just for the individual student. And I want to show you one other thing about grades and cross-listed courses. Right now I am looking at all the sections. It says showing all sections in the right-hand corner of the screen. If I wanted to only look at one section, I'd click that button and I'd choose my section. So I'll go to section 3, and that filters the grades so that only section 3 is showing. I'll do that for section 5, and that filters so only section 5 is showing. If I want to see all of them, I click the button and choose show all sections, and now I'm back to seeing all of the students in the course. So this video showed you how to work with small groups.